Hi, good morning everyone. In PMGT 311, in this module, our primary focus is on resource management and forming project teams. Each project has a significant number of human resources. So the more you know about human resource management as a project manager, it would increase your chances of succeeding in your projects. So one of the first things we will learn is the human resource management processes that have an impact in project management. We'll also study acquiring a project team. There are some resources that are internal to the organization that you need to uh, get as part of your project team, but there are also external resources that you need to acquire. So I want you to be able to differentiate between the internal and the external resources as part of this module. Once you have a project team, it is imperative that you go through a team building process so that project team members trust each other and can work well together. It is always a great idea to have project teams collaboratively working together and solving problems together, making decisions together as a team. As a project manager, you should promote collaboration because it can bring very positive outcomes for the projects that you are managing. In this module, you'll also learn how to manage a project team, especially how you could apply different techniques for resolving conflicts. Conflicts can arise in project teams, and how you manage them can break or make a project. It's very critical that you understand the role of emotional intelligence, influence, and leadership in project management and apply the concepts of, especially the concepts of emotional intelligence to the project teams. One of the critical concepts we will learn is how to control resources through monitoring. Communication aspects with both the project team members and the stakeholders is very crucial, and we will learn that as part of this module. One of the key aspects is to manage the contract deliverables from external providers. You've gone through procurement management. As part of procurement management, external providers are expected to deliver quality outputs, quality artifacts back to you, to the project team. And how do you monitor them? How do you monitor that the contract deliverables are as per specifications? That is also one thing that we would focus on in this module. In this module, we will be looking at all these concepts through different assessments that are applied to practical scenarios. We'll be looking at constructing a RACI matrix. We'll be looking at forming teams, conflict resolution, and project communications. So without much delay, let's start this fun module and let's have fun while learning these concepts.